Hello beautiful moms and hello proud papas. Hope you're all fine and your babies are also doing great. So losing those extra pregnancy pounds may be on your priority list right now. But if you have just delivered a baby, then I would suggest you to wait for some time and concentrate on eating something that would provide you energy to be the best mom you can be, especially if you are breastfeeding. Because it is very important for new moms to have healthy food. So today in this video I'm going to provide you a list of healthy foods or kind of diet that new mothers should follow. If you want to watch more videos on pregnancy, mother care and child care related topics, please subscribe to my channel. And now let's move towards today's video. So first of all, let me explain you why it is so important for new moms to have healthy food in their daily diet. Well, there are two reasons. One, if you don't eat healthy, the quality of breast milk that you are feeding your baby is going to change. And we all know how important it is for a newborn baby to have breastfeeding. And second thing, if you don't eat all those nutrients and still continue to breastfeed your baby, then all the nutrients that are required by your baby is going to be delivered to baby from your own body and your own system. So at the end, you may be the one who is going to suffer from lack of energy or other health issues in future. So it is very important for new moms to have healthy diet. So let's see what kind of food you should include in your daily diet. Breast milk is loaded with calcium to help your baby's bones develop. So it is very important for you to eat enough calcium. Dairy products are important source of calcium and vitamin D required for bone strengthening. They also provide proteins and vitamin B. So you can include any milk product that you prefer, be it milk itself or curd or yogurt, cheese or anything that you like. Another powerhouse of nutrition, nuts are high in essential minerals such as iron, calcium, zinc as well as vitamin K and B vitamins. They are also a healthy source of essential fatty acids and protein. Beyond their phenomenal nutritional makeup, nuts are also regarded as lactogenic food in many parts of the world. These nuts may include almond, walnut, chia seeds, hemp seeds, flax seeds, etc. Chicken breast is low in fat and calories but extremely high in protein. It is a great source of many nutrients. Lamb are usually grass-fed and their meat tend to be high in omega-3 fatty acids. Organ meat such as liver is very healthy to eat during this time. If you are a beef lover, then you can also go ahead and have it as it is loaded with bioavailable iron. Fish and other seafood tend to be very healthy and nutritious. They are especially rich in omega-3 fatty acids and iodine. Studies show that people who eat highest amount of seafood, especially fish, tend to live longer and have lower risk of many illnesses including heart disease, dementia and depression, which is very common postpartum. So any kind of fish is good during this time. Salmon also contains vitamin D. However, I would suggest you to avoid eating tuna fish in your diet because most of the tuna fish varieties are high in mercury, which is not a good thing while pregnancy and even while breastfeeding. However, there are also other varieties of tuna fish which are low in mercury. If you are able to distinguish between those varieties, then you can go ahead and have those. Eggs are very good source of protein. You can have scrambled egg, omelette, boiled egg, anything that you like to meet your daily protein need.
Leafy green veggies like fenugreek or dill are filled with vitamin A.
Which is good for you and your baby. They are also good source of calcium and vitamin C. Green veggies are also filled with heart healthy antioxidants and are low in calories. Potatoes are loaded with potassium and contains a little bit of almost every nutrient you need, including vitamin C. Sweet potatoes are loaded with antioxidants and all sort of healthy nutrients. Breastfeeding moms are always at high risk of energy draining dehydration. So to keep your energy level high and to keep your breastfeeding production high, you should always keep yourself hydrated. So drink a lot of water. You can also add milk or fruit juices in your diet to fulfill your fluid requirement. But make sure that you do not drink too much of caffeinated drinks like tea or coffee, because this caffeine goes to the baby via your milk and it may cause sleep deprivation in your baby. Citrus fruits. These are great way to boost your energy and much needed vitamin C. Oranges and other citrus fruits like lemon, grapefruits are excellent breastfeeding foods. Oats are incredibly healthy. They are loaded with nutrients, powerful fibers called beta glucan, which provide numerous benefits. Healthy fats like coconut or extra virgin olive oil can be very useful to provide antioxidant with many other benefits. So this was the list of healthy food that you should include in your daily diet, and this number of products are very easy to include in your daily diet, which is very important for new moms. So that was all for today. Hope that helps. And please note that I am not a dietitian or a doctor. I am just sharing my personal experience with you and hope that helps you. So see you soon in my next video. Till then,